Hey you guys, so I made a 7-Up Bundt cake using a Duncan Hines box cake mix. Now y'all know that's my favorite box cake go-to. And I can honestly say this, sometimes while healing, it does not look like a big breakthrough or dramatic moment. Sometimes it just looks like forgetting. And it's forgetting the little things, it's forgetting steps, and it's forgetting eggs. And today, that is exactly what happened to me. I forgot the eggs. So I was making this 7-Up Bundt cake, something that I've made over and over and over again. Something that I should have been or had locked down as a routine. So I mixed the batter, I poured everything in here. I added my pudding, I added the sour cream, I added the extract, and I thought I had everything down packed. So y'all, it wasn't until I mixed everything together, I popped it in the oven, I got it out the oven, that I remembered that I did not put the 4 eggs into the batter. Now, the old me would have panicked, probably would have threw this cake away and did it all over again. And I would have been mad at myself like, girl, you slipping, you messing up, you just messed up all of these ingredients. Like, what are you doing? Being completely hard on myself. But y'all, look at this batter though. Doesn't it look like I put eggs in here? But in honestly, healing has slowed me down. It has made me softer. It really softened me. And yes, sometimes it just makes me forget things because that's what I was used to. And in reality, it's not that I don't care, but because my mind is finally resting after being in survival mode for so long. When you spend years being hyper aware, overthinking everything, walking on eggshells, your brain doesn't shut that off overnight. It takes time. So it's taking me a little bit of time. And I forgot to tell y'all, when it comes to my pan, I usually do that first too. I usually go ahead and oil my pan up first, whatever spray I'm using, or if I make some cake dough. But whenever I have me some good baking spray, I'm good. I'm good. So I added all of my cake batter to this pan. And my oven is already preheated at 350 degrees. So I'm going to bake this for about 45 to 50 minutes long. You just do the cake test, y'all. So instead of throwing this cake away, I gave myself grace. I said, let me just go ahead and see what happened. And honestly, the cake still rose. It still baked through. It came out soft, moist, and full of flavor. My kids was like, Mama, this cake is still good. Nobody knew. But in all honesty, I knew because I kept saying to myself, like, why is this cake so little? So little. I did not figure it out at first. This cake just reminded me that forgetting doesn't mean that you're failing. Sometimes it just means that you're healing. You're no longer running on adrenaline. You're no longer bracing for impact, and you're finally breathing. And just like this cake, even when an ingredient is missing, something good can still come out of it. Because healing doesn't require perfection, and neither does baking. So if you're in a season where you're forgetting things, be gentle with yourself. Remember, you're not broken. You're becoming safe enough to slow down. And sometimes grace fills in the gaps, even in the kitchen.